To ensure your Conti espresso machine fills consistently, we recommend that the boiler pump is turned on. To turn on the pump, start by entering Eco mode. To do this, press and hold button 5 and then press button 3. Then, press and hold button 5 until you see the language options. Press button 5 6 times until you see boiler filling up on the top line of the display. Button 1 will activate your pump. Press button 5 a further 27 times to return to Eco mode. Then, press button 3 to exit Eco mode and resume using your espresso machine.